In this video, we're going to form an equation using the area of a simple shape, like a rectangle or a triangle. Now let's look at the question. The diagram shows a triangle, all the measurements in centimetres. The area of the triangle is 16 centimetres squared. Work out the value of x. Now it's talking about the area of the triangle, and it gives us that area. So, well, how would we usually find the area of a triangle? Well, the area of a triangle in general is half times by the base times by the height. And if I do that as a little diagram, this is the base and the height is at right angles to the base. So let's use what information we have in the question and substitute in. We're told that the area of the triangle is equal to 16. So let's just say the area is 16. And then we're going to do half times by the base. We can see the base here is 8. So times by 8. Multiplied by the height, which we can see is 3x minus 5. So we can put 3x minus 5 there. And now we just need to simplify and solve this equation to work out what x is. Now, firstly, half times 8, or half of 8, is the same way of saying that, is 4. And then instead of that times symbol, I'm just going to write the 3x minus 5 after. Because remember, when we have two things next to each other in algebra, it just means you're timesing them anyway. So now I've got these brackets here, and I can expand these brackets. Now remember how we expand a bracket? We do the term on front of the bracket multiplied by each term inside the bracket. So we're going to do the 4 times the 3x, which is 12x. And we do the 4 times the minus 5, which is minus 20. So now we've got an equation without brackets. To solve it, we undo the things around the x. So x has been multiplied by 12, and then we're subtracting 20 from it. The last thing that happened to x was the minus 20, so we undo it by doing the opposite. So we add 20 to this, but whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do the same to the other. So we're going to add 20 here as well. Now 16 plus 20 is 36. And on the right-hand side, the plus 20 cancels the minus 20, just leaving the 12x. And then x has been multiplied by 12, so we divide it by 12 to get rid of that 12 in front of the x. Now 36 divided by 12 is 3, and the right-hand side we're just left with x. So x is 3, and that is the final answer.